blizzard watch, freezing rain advisory, these are the terms that remind us of the winter season, but some of these watches and advisories are on their last leg as the National Weather Service makes changes to its warning structure for the upcoming season. Meteorologist Elisa Raffa is here to break down those details.
Joe, the project is called HAZSIMP, or Hazard Simplification. It's an effort to boil down weather risks by using simple and easy to understand headlines in hopes of better communication. Social scientists and media partners of the National Weather Service have spent nearly a decade analyzing surveys on the current system, and they're ready to start implementing some changes. Ready or not, Old Man Winter is just 9 weeks away from his official arrival in the Ozarks. Blowing snow, freezing rain, and slippery ice are just some of the winter woes Missouri and Arkansas deal with each season. In fact, our winter storms are so complex, research shows the warning system the National Weather Service currently uses could be confusing. After all, 127 different watches, warnings, and advisories are a lot. And to top it off, each have their own representative color. That's 127 colors.
Research is showing is that there's not one perfect way of doing it. We know that there are some words that are better than other words. We know there are some colors that are better than other colors. So to boil it down, what the National Weather Service is doing this winter is reducing the number of products in hopes of conveying the message better.
With this simplification, we'll see changes to each tier of the current system: watches, warnings, and advisories. Watches are issued 48 hours before the storm, so you can be prepared. But do you get ready for a winter storm differently than a blizzard? To make things easier, blizzard watches will now be consolidated under one winter storm watch. Warnings come when the storm is imminent, suggesting you take action to keep safe. The Ozarks will continue to see ice, winter storm, and blizzard warnings depending on the hazard. No big changes there for us. And when it comes to the last tier,
the real plus will be with the advisories. No longer will we have blowing snow advisories or freezing rain advisories. These are all winter events, so we're going to put everything under a winter weather advisory and then convey what are the risks.
One name, one umbrella term, with details to describe the impacts of each hazard. Simply put, now you'll only see one all-encompassing winter weather advisory with a tag for specific hazards like low visibility from blowing snow or slippery roads from freezing rain. Other new products you will see are probability forecasts, or the most and least likely scenarios for winter storms.
How do we say there's going to be maybe more snow than more rain in a given area? How do we say that given 1 degree temperature difference, you're going to have sleet versus snow? That's a challenge.
Despite challenges faced in communication and multiple changes made to the system with this project, the National Weather Service says in the end, there's one goal: the protection of life and property. Now, these changes to the winter headlines just took effect this month. The National Weather Service is planning some similar changes to our flood headlines for the spring. So, of course, we'll update you on that when those roll out, too.
All right, Elisa, thanks.